crowned the world's vegan capital.
Why does the Israeli eggplant taste better than the rest of the world?
I cook vegetarian as a natural way. We know how to make eggplant in more than 80 ways.
Tel Aviv's doing it best. Vegan food in Israel, and in Tel Aviv specifically, is exciting. You're kind of converting people to eat at a restaurant, even if they're not vegan, because they heard it's interesting and people are excited about the way vegetables are used here.
I'm not into vegan food, but I mean, it was really good.
But how do you do it right?
The switch from vegetarian to veganism was when we moved to Tel Aviv. It was not very popular, vegan food, and there was no vegan places. We didn't know enough how to do it. Invent cheese from almonds, to invent everything from the beginning.
We have things that grow basically all over the place that we could actually use in our food. This is called khubeza in Hebrew. It has a lot of iron in it, so it actually could be used as a replacement for meat.
And what does it take to make it?
Suddenly someone not to eat meat is something weird. So yeah, I'm weird in life.
You're a vegetarian?
I am
and you
vegetarian, and I work in a meat restaurant. I did taste a burger at one point, but I didn't like the taste, so I spat it out.
A movement that goes beyond the barriers of conflict, culture, and identity.
Well done, Israel, and congratulations on making history tonight on the biggest animal rights march ever in history.
In this fast-paced city that never sleeps, what's really happening in the kitchen? And just how kosher is it?
I can find myself pretty easily in this place, even though I'm not vegan.
Wait, you're not a vegan?
No, I'm not vegan.
A vegan, plant-based diet is the only legitimate option. Jewish veganism is reflecting the same values that we find within the Hindu approach, abstaining from animal products, in particular from animal flesh.
But is there any meat to the theory behind the tradition?
I think that vegetarian and veganism should be a part of the Jewish tradition, and it's a bit weird for me that it isn't, because all the compassion and the thoughtfulness that's supposed to be in the Jewish religion kind of takes it the other way.
Israel comes 12th on the list of the top 20 countries that eat the most meat in the world, with Israelis eating double the amount of turkey than the average American per year. So what's cooking Tel Aviv?
I don't think Tel Aviv is vegan. Tel Aviv has a vegan scene. I had to close my business because eventually I was appealing to a minority.
And what do Tel Aviv's top chefs really think about the vegan trend?
We have all kinds of
vegetables filled with meat.
with meat. We have goose liver.
What would you say if Abby turned vegan?
I have nothing to say, I was laughing, but he could make some great dishes.
Mixing the explosive ingredients of religion, fine dining, and animal rights. Is this the ultimate recipe for the future of food?
Tel Aviv's food scene is definitely worth knowing about. All right, 500 shekels.